In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send customer quotes using Pandadoc, a powerful document automation platform that streamlines your process, making life easier and more efficient. Whether you're in sales, customer service, or any role where regular quoting is key, knowing how to effectively use Pandadoc can greatly enhance your workflow. First, let's begin by navigating to the Pandadoc home. You can do this by simply logging into your Pandadoc account and heading straight to the dashboard. This is your central hub for all document-related activities and a perfect place to kickstart our quoting process. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to choose the document you wish to send. This document will contain the details of the quote you're preparing for your customer. Ensure that you've already created the document template you prefer to use for quotes. If not, consider preparing one for future use, as templates can save significant time and repetitive tasks. With your document selected, click on the pricing table. This table is a crucial component as it outlines the essential components of your quote, like pricing, product descriptions, or service lists. It's essential to make sure these elements are accurate as they directly impact the customer's decision making. Now, let's take a moment to edit the details in the pricing table to suit your specific needs. Tailor the numbers, names, descriptions, and any additional details that reflect the personalized offers or discounts you might have discussed with your customer. Pandadoc allows you the flexibility to adjust these fields to align with your current business proposal, making it an invaluable tool in your quote creation arsenal. Satisfied with how your document looks? Then it's time to send it out. Find the Send button prominently located within the document interface. Clicking this prepares your document for delivery to your recipient, ensuring that everything is in place for a smooth exchange. Following this step, you have several options for how you'd like to send the document. Pandadoc allows you to send quotes via email, text, or SMS. Each option provides different levels of immediacy and formality, so choose the method that best fits your business ethos and your customers' preferences. If you opt for email, make sure that you add any personalized messages that could reinforce the value of your offer. Remember that Pandadoc keeps track of these interactions, allowing for seamless follow-ups or confirmations once the quote reaches your customer, making your life much easier when managing client communications. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently send out professional quotes using Pandadoc, leaving a lasting impression of professionalism and reliability with your customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials and tips.